Hello guys, welcome back to AK Food Treasure. So today we will talk about homemade Ayurvedic remedies, where I will explain you all that what is good to have and how to make it if you are having diarrhea, constipations, snoring problem, whiter teeth, obesity, or dry skin.
Well, for all these problems, Ayurveda says that your kitchen has the answer.
So first we will start with constipations. Well, if you are suffering from your constipations, don't worry. Try to consume a drink made with ghee, which can be called as a clarified butter, salt and hot water. Ghee helps you lubricate the inside of your intestines and salt removes your bacteria.
But hold on, there is another way. It also suggests that having 2 bananas before going to bed and after eating your dinner can give you a lot of relief.
Now we will move on for diarrhea. Well, if you are suffering from diarrhea, I'll give you an easy solution. Go for a ginger tea. Well, why I'm telling you ginger tea? Because ginger stimulates digestion and it is full of antioxidants that rehydrate the body and replenish the lost nutrients. Well, if you don't know how to make a ginger tea, don't worry. I'm going to teach you now. So first you need a pan and boil some water. When the water starts to boil, add your ginger, lemon and a green tea bag and let it boil for a few minutes. And at the last, strain it. Well, now this is a problem a lot of people are facing these days. Whiter teeth. First, make a paste. To make a paste, you need basil and the zest of orange. What you need to do, just crush the basil leaves and the zest of orange together, then put it on your teeth for 20 minutes and then wash it off. Well, wasn't this was easy? Well, now here comes the big problem, snoring. I know a lot of people don't like snoring, so here's the easy solution for you. Take a cup of warm milk and mix in a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Always drink it before bed. Well, believe it or not, it helps a lot. Well, here comes the biggest problem of all, obesity. A lot of people die because of obesity. People face difficulties in sleeping, walking because of this one problem, obesity. So, exercise is very important for obesity. But I will tell you some homemade remedies to lose your weight. So in order to lose your weight, try to drink everyday warm water. Instead of going of cold water, try to go for warm water. Why I'm telling you warm water? Because the warm water creates steam and it relieves your nasal congestions. It calms central nervous system. It always keeps you hydrated. It improves your circulation. Another way is that you can mix your warm water with lemon and honey. Mixing lemon and honey in the warm water can help you a lot. Well, now if you like vegetables, go for the cabbage. Yes, because having raw cooked or cooked cabbage is very good for health. especially if you are focused on losing your weight. Well, now for the ladies, dry skin. I know, sounds great, right? Dry skin? Yes, there is cure for it. So what you need to do, that you just need 2 bananas, and what you have to do is that you need to add 2 spoons of honey in banana and mash together, and then you need to apply this paste on your skin. Keep it for 15 minutes and then wash it off. Then you'll see your skin is very nice and smooth. Well, let's move to the next step. So now, if you are suffering from cough, there is a cure for the cough, and that also in your kitchen. So I'll tell you how to make it. For that, you need a pan and boil some water. First, add pepper, then add some mint leaves, then add some lemon, then add some ginger, then add honey and 1 tea bag of green tea, and cook it well. Give it some time, let it reduce, and at the end, strain.